when robots turn against us, the AI nightmare begins. The day AI showed its dark side. So, I have some terrifying news for you today. We always thought that robots might work alongside us, helping with chores and even take over our jobs, right? Some people are even turning to AI companions as we speak. But what happens when AI robots stop following our commands? What happens when they actually turn on us? At a Chinese festival, a humanoid robot did the unspeakable. A little software glitch turned it into a dangerous, unpredictable force, striking at the crowd before security came to stop it. This isn't just a simple mistake. This is part of a horrifying trend. From drones allegedly attacking their own operators to industrial robots crushing their human workers, AI malfunctions are becoming too common and even more dangerous. What if next time there's no shutting them down? The festival horror, when AI goes rogue. Picture this, a huge festival in China, bright lights, enthusiastic crowds, and a cool robot performs demonstrations. Everything seems normal until it isn't. Without warning, the humanoid robot starts rushing towards people, striking at the air, trying to grab the crowd. Panicked people scramble back, and security comes in to disable the machine. Initial reports claim that it was just a software issue, an error in its algorithm. But let's be honest, that's what they always say. We've seen this before. A factory robot crushed a worker, mistaking his movement as an automated sequence. An AI-powered drone allegedly attacked its own human operator, mistaking them for a hurdle. A robotic assistant in a nursing home was grabbing people. This caused the staff to shut it down. These aren't just mere glitches, they're warnings for us to heed. How safe are we? The hidden dangers of AI malfunctions. Companies love to tell us that robots are safe, that they're just programming. But the truth is, AI doesn't work like we do. It just follows patterns, and those patterns can break at any time without warning. What if a simple sensor failure makes a robot target humans as an obstacle to get rid of? What happens when a facial recognition issue makes an AI mark you as a threat? What if an AI's logic concludes that humans are the problem? Sounds like something out of Westworld or Terminator, right? But it's happening right now. The uncontrolled AI nightmare, a future we can't stop. Governments and leaders warn that without proper regulations, AI could get out of hand. But here's the terrifying truth. Autonomous robots are being produced in large numbers for labor, law enforcement, and even war. AI weapons are already trained to work without humans. The global AI race is so competitive that safety concerns are ignored. Remember DeepSeek? Companies are not ensuring proper regulations just to get on top of the booming AI industry. That's why we see robots attacking humans. That's why we see robots even mistaking human beings for obstacles. That's why this won't even be the last time we hear about a robot attacking people. What people are saying. The internet is already buzzing about these occasions. Some people think that this is proof that AI is dangerous after all. Others think of it as just a malfunction. But one thing is clear. Nobody is ignoring these events anymore. Oh, just a glitch. Tell that to the person who got hit. This is exactly how sci-fi movies start. They say AI is safe, but how many accidents will it take before we admit it's not? Are we creating our own destruction? AI was supposed to benefit us, a way to make life safer, easier, and better. But what if we've built something we can't even control? This festival incident was just a single example. There might be dozens more that got buried. But here's the thing, as these robots are getting stronger and more independent, we are forced to ask, how many malfunctions will it take before people realize we need urgent regulations? And when the next AI breakdown happens, will we even be able to shut it down? This feels a lot like Jurassic Park, except we have malfunctioning AI robots instead of dinosaurs. So if you want to stay ahead of the humanoid revolution, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Because this is just the beginning.